In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove section to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it, and when it turns see-through, let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, if you will ever wanna restore it, just hold your display and tap on Widgets at the bottom left corner. Now you need to click on Google app, which should be over here. Tap on search bar widget, select add, and then hold it to move it wherever you wish. Let go and tap on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!